Memory game. Let's play. Summer game. Memory test 1. Memorize the images. Popsicle. Flip-flops. Sunglasses. Where was the popsicle? Where was it? Is it under number 1, 2, or 3? Popsicle is under number 1. Where was the sunglasses? Which number has it? Is it number 2 or 3? Yay, it is number 3. Memory test 2. Memorize the images. Beach ball. Watermelon. Sun. Where was this image? Can you find the watermelon slice? What did we hide under number 1? And number 2? Number 3? It is number 2. Watermelon is hiding under number 2. Can you find the beach ball? Tell me the number. Where was it? Which number is hiding the beach ball? It's number 1. Great job, kids. Memory test 3. Memorize the images. Sandcastle. Pineapple. Beach umbrella. Where was this image? Can you find the pineapple? Is it under 1, 2, or 3? Do you remember where the pineapple was? It's number 2. You got it right. High five. Are you ready for another one? Let's play. Where was the beach umbrella? Which number is it? Was it under number 1 or 3? Can you guess the right number? It's number 3. Memory test 4. Memorize the images. Palm tree. Ice cream. Summer hat. Where was this image? Do you remember where the palm tree was? Is it under 1, 2, or 3? Can you guess the right number? It's number 1. Great job, kids. You found it. Next round. The ice cream is hiding. Can you guess where it is? Do you remember where was it? It's number 2. You found it. The ice cream was under number 2 all along. Memory test 5. Memorize the images. Lemonade. Deck chair. Starfish. Where was the starfish? The starfish is hiding. Do you remember where it was? It's number 3. You found it. That was easy. Let's try the next one. Where was the lemonade? Which number is hiding the lemonade? It's number 1. Great job, kids. You found it. Memory test 6. Memorize the images. Shells. Flip-flops. Kite. Where was this image? Can you guess where it is? Do you remember where was it? It's number 3. Great job, kids, you found it. Are you ready for another one? Where was this image? Is it under 1 or 2? Can you guess the right number? It's number 1. You found it. Let's do it again. Memory test 7. Memorize the images. Juice, sunscreen, fish. Where was the fish? Is it under 1, 2, or 3? Can you guess the right number? It's number 3. Well done, kids. Are you ready for another one? Where was this image? Is it under 1 or 2? Do you remember where the sunscreen bottle was? It's under the number 2. Great job, kids. You found it. See you next time.